Hi, you know how important it is to always keep your website's content fresh and up to date. And while traditional blogging is one way to do this, we know that not everyone can keep up with writing a regular blog. The Wix blog feature makes it easy to regularly add new, rich content to your site without affecting your design. You can use the blog tool to add articles, photos, videos, and more. It's not just for writers. Here's an example. Think about your own business and what type of content you can easily produce without too much effort. It might be pictures, video clips, or even recipes. The blog feature can be useful for nearly any type of business. Own a salon? You can post pictures of your clients' new hairdos or manicures. Work in construction? Post before and after pictures each week on your site. Run a bakery? Why not take a picture of those pastries right as you pull them out of the oven? Since you can add any type of content to your blog, you can use it to post news, updates, or even video tutorials. Once you have posted a new blog, we recommend sharing it on social networks. You never know what might go viral. This is a great way to get more traffic to your site. Start thinking about how you can use the blog feature to show off what you do.